Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started with today's tutorial, let me first apologize about my air conditioner running. It's a window unit air conditioner. I do apologize. I know that it's probably going to annoy some of you and I can't shut it off. I'm sorry. But back to the tutorial. Today's video is going to be a stitch tutorial for this stitch. I think this is the coolest. It's squishy. It's beautiful, and it's called an extended single crochet mesh stitch, but to me it doesn't really look like a mesh. Like, I would expect it to be a little holier for a mesh. But I think this is a very unique, different, and adorable little stitch. Anyway, let's get started. So I am just going to do a little sample piece and show you guys how to make that. So it's this chain multiple is any odd number. So I think this little square is, I chained 33, I believe. So I'm just gonna work a chain of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How about that? 9. So you chain any odd number. It doesn't matter what the number is, just any odd number. You can make a whole afghan out of this. So what we're going to do is into the 5th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to work the extended single crochet. So all that is you insert your hook, pull up a loop, and instead of yarning over and pulling through 2, we're going to yarn over, pull through 1, and then yarn over and pull through 2. And that's our extended single crochet. Chain 1, skip the next chain. Into the next chain, we're going to work that extended single crochet again. Insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 only, don't pull through 2. And now you yarn over and pull through 2. Chain 1. Skip 1 and into the last, insert our hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 only, and then yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so we have 3 extended single crochets and then our beginning chain right there. The skip chain right there is just going to count as an extended. So we're going to chain 1 and turn, and we're going to go right back into that very first extended single. So if you have a hard time seeing it, all you have to do is just kind of pull that apart, and the little hole it creates right there, there's our single, our extended single. So we're just going to go right in the middle of there, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 only, then yarn over and pull through 2. Chain 1, come over to the next. It's basically what you're looking at is just a clump of yarn, right? It's pretty much what it looks like. It is the extended single crochet. It's a little hard to see, but it just looks like a little clump of yarn. So all we're going to do is just go right into there, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 1, come to the next. And if you look, the smaller little stitches right there, that is our chain, and then the larger stitch right there, that is our extended single crochet. So if you have a hard time finding it this way, you can always turn it this way. But all you do is just find your little clump of yarn, just put your hook right in there, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1. And then at this end, we're going to skip a chain and work an extended single crochet into the next chain. So if you look, what you're looking at right there is the back loop and the side loop of one chain, and then the back loop and the side loop of the next chain. So I'm going to go right in there, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and there's the end of our row. Chain 1 and turn. Go right back into that very first one, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1. And if you need to look this way, skip the next, into the next, or you can pull it apart and find that big old hole right there. Pull through 1, pull through 2, chain 1. Into the next, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2, chain 1. And into the last, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1, and there you go. So I'm going to do it one more time. If you have a hard time finding it, just find that big old hole right there. Go in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 only, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1. Come down here, pull your work apart, find that little bitty hole right there, go right in there, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1. Come down here, see when you pull it apart, that little opening right there, go in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1. And then into the last one, if you need to turn your work, right there is the last extended single. Go in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1, and then you just keep repeating that over and over and over again. And then it just makes this cute little stitch. And you could, this could be used for all kinds of different things. I think this would make a very intricate and detailed baby Afghan, like a whole baby set. But anyway, just a quick little stitch tutorial I wanted to show you guys that I thought you could use all kinds of different things for. Ooh, that would make a great hot pad. Of course, out of cotton yarn, but... Alright, that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss what's next. Check out that description box. I got all kinds of links in there, down there for you guys. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.